Hello, and welcome to AccessTelevision.tv. Today I wanted to give you a little bit of a tutorial for a program called CamStudio. CamStudio is a screen capturing program that will capture the information that is displayed on your monitor. It is a free open source program. I find it to work very well with keyboard commands and various hotkeys on your keyboard for those of you that like to use your keyboard to control your programs with instead of your mouse. I also find it to work fairly well with my screen reader. To get started with, we go to CamStudio.
Alt-Tab, CamStudio-Open Source, CamStudio-Open Source.
And here in the main interface we do a Alt and a letter O.
Alt-O, menu, options menu, video options, ... To navigate, press up or down arrow, V. Enter, leaving menus, video up.
We switch to our JAWS cursor.
Root jaw type button to...
Okay, so we wrapped around there, so I would recommend switching
Root JAWS to PC.
and
Page up, home.
or left.
Page up, home.
So I did a page up and a home, and that would move our cursor to the top left, and we start reading from there.
X264 VFW-H.264/MPEG-4AVC codec about button.
Alright, that sounds good.
Configure button. Quality 100. Set keyframes every 200 frames.
200.
Frame rates group box. Capture frames every 100 milliseconds. Playback rate 25 frames/second. Capture frames every one. Playback rate auto adjust check. Play capture frames every 100 milliseconds.
Okay, so we still need to capture frames. We need to change that one. We switch back.
Root PC app. Frame rates frames/second edit 100 0 blank 4 0.
Let's double check
Root
again.
jaw time lapse frame rate max 1 frames auto adjust play frame capture frames every 40 milliseconds.
Alright, so we capture at 40
Playback rate 25 frames
and you play back at 25. One of the other items that you will have to configure to get a good file size would be your audio settings. We go to our options.
Alt-O menu options cursor up audio options sub menu A.
We go to our audio options.
Audio options for microphone A.
And we're gonna go to the microphone ones.
Enter leaving menus. Audio options for microphone dialog. Recording format combo box.
Okay, so in this combo
Open
box,
list 0.05 kHz stereo 16-bit.
now if you chose the stereo option here, you would actually have like your microphone on the left side of the person that's watching your videos, and your JAWS and your system sounds would be on the other side of the end viewer. So if you want them to be the same on both, you gotta change it to mono.
Z mono 8-bit 22.05 kHz mono 16-bit.
Okay, so there's the mono 16-bit, and that's the one we want.
Tab audio capture device volume button.
And that's just to adjust the volume, and you can do that in your default Windows control panel.
Tab compressed format. Choose compressed format button. ADP PCM. Enter format.
So PCM.
Tab attributes combo box 22.0 tab OK but enter CamStudio.
We go back to our notepad.
Untyped notepad blank. Cam 22.05 kHz mono 16-bit.
Yeah, that's right.
PCM. Check the quote enter leave every quote box and the radio button for milliseconds. Enter 1000 ms.
Okay, we need to change that to 1000
Alt tab,
milliseconds.
CamStudio dash open source, Cams tab, compressed format read only edit, PCM tab, compressed format read only edit, 22050HZ, 16-bit tab, interleave video and audio edit, 100, blank, 0, blank, 1000.
Alright, 1000.
Tab, interleave video and audio, interleave every checkbox checked, a clear check tab, OK spacebar.
So we switch.
Root jaw frames radio button, interleave video and frames radio button not checked, interleave every checkbox checked, 1000 milliseconds radio button checked.
So the radio button for milliseconds is good.
Interleave frame, choose compress 220 PCM compressed form.
So that all looks good.
Root.
So there's one more item we gotta change. Let's see if we're...
Title is CamStudio Alto Meant Audio Do Not Audio
So we go back to audio options and then we go to
Audio options for speaker audio and video synchronization. A. Enter leaving menus audio and video synchronization dialog milliseconds. OK.
I believe in this window.
Title is CamStudio dash open source audio and video synchronization.
We have to change this due to audio and video bus being on two separate buses, and the buses are two speeds.
Tab, cancel but tab, synchronization, do not shift the audio.
So we want to shift it.
Synchronization, my audio goes before. Tab, synchronization, time shift, edit, spin box, 100.
And let's see what this is supposed to be.
Back in options, greater audio options, greater audio and videos. Check my audio goes before my video and enter a 500 ms delay.
Okay, so we need a 500
Alt
delay.
tab, CamStudio dash open source, Cam 100, 200, 200, 300, 480, 510, 500.
So I just use up and down arrows.
Tab, OK button, Alt tab, and
we need to configure the codecs.
Menu, search box, edit, type text in this edit field or all pro back, X2, level 2, configure X264 VFW, 1 of 2.
We go to the configure.
Enter, leaving menus, X264 VFW configuration dialog.
Now there's only a few options in here to change.
Tab, cancel, shift tab, OK tab, cancel tab, basic preset combo box, ultra fast, 1 of 10. To change the selection, use the arrow keys.
Okay, so that one there is correct. That's one you have to watch out for.
64 VFW configuration.
Alright, we tab a few more times.
Tab, basic tuning combo box, none. Tab, basic profile combo tab, basic level combo box. Tab, basic fast decode checkbox not checked. Tab, basic zero latency checkbox not checked. Tab, basic keep input color space checkbox not checked. Tab, rate control combo box, single pass dash radifactor dash base left parent CRF right.
CRF.
Alt tab, documents,
close this window.
items, Alt F4, Alt tab, codecs .t, basic preset ultra fast single pass radifactor base left parent CRF right parent, left parent, rate control radifactor 23.
So 23.
Debug log level none.
And no debug.
Alt tab, X264 tab, rate control radifactor edit, 23 tab, rate control left right slider, 44% tab, rate control create stats file checkbox not checked tab, output mode combo box, VFW 1 of 2 tab, output VFW 4cc combo box, H264 1 of 7 To change the selection, use the arrow keys. Tab. Output virtual dub pack checkbox not checked. Tab. Sample aspect ratio SAR width edit 1. Tab. Sample aspect ratio SAR height edit 1. Tab. Debug log level combo box none. Tab. Debug disable all CPU optimizations checkbox not checked. Tab. Decoder and AVI muxer disable decoder checkbox not checked. Tab. Extra command line left parent for advanced users, right parent. Extra command line left parent for advanced users, right parent edit. Tab. Extra command line left parent for advanced. Tab. Load defaults button. Tab. OK button to active.
And you just go to the OK button. Thanks for tuning in to AccessTelevision.tv.